Tina, the Thankful Planner. Welcome back to my subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click down below. If this is the first time you've watched a video, then I do planner videos, planner spreads, haul videos, anything to do with planning, then I'm in. So today I'm going to be using some leftover stickers from my weekly spread in my Classic Happy Planner. And this is from Petticoat Bandit, and this is the kit that I had left over. This is what I've got left over and what I'm going to be using in my mini. So quite a few. We've got some large boxes which I can cut down. There's some check bows there, and quite a few bits left. And I've also got some leftovers from another kit that I used the other day that I may jump in and use those too. So I do like to use leftovers in my mini Happy Planner because it just it uses them up then. So I may be using these, and if you haven't watched any of my videos before, these are from Petticoat Bandit. They are character icons for all different things, so I may be using some of those. And also these are my own hand-drawn icons, so if you want to have a quick look, this way get out, should focus soon. So you can say these are YouTube, and I have Instagram and Facebook and Etsy, so I may use some of these icons, so it depends. I don't know what I'm going to put in there yet. Okay, and if I use any others, I'll name them as I use them. So we are at the last week in July. I'm so excited because this is going to be the last time I use my Erin Condren. I have a plum paper planner to start in August. So this will be the last week of using my Erin Condren, and I can get straight into my plum paper planner. So I'm excited to start a new planner. That's my social media. That's not for this, but I'm still really excited. And I am now looking for some just blank paper, which I normally cover these up with. So I'm just wondering whether I need to though. What's the colour like? Yeah, I think I will anyway, because then I can just put something over that whole box there. So let's just do that. Let's say I need to cut it just there, sort of like that. Okay, so welcome back, and as you can see, I still have lots of these icons, but I don't have a lot of other things left, and I haven't put my schedule in yet, so I'm hoping I'm going to use up some of those when I'm putting my schedule in. So here we go then. Let us start. So I want to let's just start my Monday, and then I'll put in what I'm going to do over here. I am not going to put in my dinners yet either, because I haven't figured out my dinner menu yet, so I will come back and put that in later. And I'm going to take a shot of the finished spread and put that over onto Instagram so you see the final spread. But at the moment I'm just going to put in a rough sort of what I'm doing on those days. And I think I'll probably should use this for my activities and stuff, you know, so it's going to be my and that's Monday, and then Tuesday I've got well, that's today, so I had a lot of filming, so I'm gonna write. Oh, that's supposed to be a P. Lots of them, so I won't put that down. We've got the morning clean again, which I'm not bothered about. It doesn't actually bother me. And so tomorrow I will be I want to put and I'm going to use a little icon here. Let's say edit videos, and then Thursday morning I'm going to start it's not a holiday, but you know, wash anything that needs washing, said that we're going to pack on Thursday because my husband's got quite a lot of work on Friday, so he wants to just jump in the shower and go on Friday when he gets home from work. So Friday morning I am definitely going to be doing a clean. And then here I want to just make sure all my work is done. So that looks a little bit too much going on one, like 3 things all on top of each other. Let's put that. No, I don't think it goes actually. I think I'm just going to leave that as it is and say so I don't want to take anything with me. Saturday we are going to do some painting as well, so and possibly swimming, more than possibly. And then I was thinking, like, we could definitely watch a movie. Is there a yeah, there we go, popcorn. Let's put that down. But I'm not going to do any more planning in the weekend because we're not quite sure what we're going to do. So I think we're going to track always water, walk, make sure I walk every day. And then we've got the clean, make sure I do my cleaning tasks, and obviously meds. I have to keep forgetting to take them, so right, there we go. Okay, so I really think at the moment I can't put like errands. Really, I don't know what errands I've got. So this is a pre-plan, remember? So I'm going to add these and I can show you the finished. I'm sorry, my dog's snoring so loud. And I'll show you the finished schedule when it's done. But I will be working on it this week. So let me put this in my planner. Wherever she has gone. Here she is. I'm sorry, like she's snoring really loud now. Lily! Lily, come on. It's like really loud. She's actually awake now, still snoring. Shh. Shh. Stop with the snoring. You're awake. Shh. Okay, she's moved. What a dog, hey? She's sniffing at me now. She's annoyed at me now. She's annoyed because I woke her up. Okay, so let's pop that in. Fantastic, I am up to date. And I can put this in as we go along. Okay, well, I hope you like this layout. I do. I'm excited to use it, and I love that it's sort of free because I've got from my previous, let me bring that in so you can see. So it's the leftover stickers from this spread. If you haven't watched this spread, I will put a link up somewhere so that you can go watch that one and see what's left over. Thanks for joining me again. My name's Tina with The Thankful Planner, and please subscribe. Join me over on Instagram at The Thankful Planner. Thanks for watching again. Have a good day. Bye bye.